jelly bean.
30-degree burns, get out of the way! Oh, that's so fucking cool! Alright, back to the color. The jelly bean. Is that what that was?
Yeah.
Go back to the jelly bean. It's fucking shit jelly bean. I thought it was only true, not true. I thought it was on TV only. You can really shit jelly beans. It's like the fucking Easter bunny.
Hey, shut up.
Oh, look at him. Hey, back to the jelly bean.
Is it loud? Is it loud?
Mom, Jesse, Chris,
Yes, it's loud.
Wayne.
Come here. Here.
We're lighting up Motor Mouth.
Grandma.
Gator Mouse, get ready to run in case. The fan.
Get ready to run in case. If I run, I'm gonna.
It was all if I was. Pretty sure.